Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Shikha, and if you are new here, please take a moment to subscribe to my channel. So in this video, I'm going to create this beautiful orange eyeshadow look, and if you want to see how to get this done, then please keep on watching. So first I'm going to fill my eyebrows. For that I'm going to use O2O Cosmetics 3D Eyebrow Palette. So before the application of eyeshadow, I'm going to apply a concealer on my eyelid to give it a nice base, which is Kryolan Derma D4. If you have extremely oily eyelids, please refrain from using any kind of concealer on your eyelid. Instead of that, use a good eye primer which is specifically made for the oily eyelids. After the application of the concealer, I like to dab the brush all over my eyelid to give it a nice and smooth base. Now I'm going to pack my eyelid using Maybelline Compact Powder in the shade 012 Ivory. Do not use too much product on your eyelid while packing on your concealer. So for the eyeshadow, I'm going to use Makeup Revolution Forever Flawless Decadent palette, and I'm going to take Affluent shade as my first transition shade. Apply the product back and forth just above your crease line. For the second shade, I'm going to use Fortuity shade and I'm going to blend it in on my crease line. Taking this Grandeur shade, I'm going to deepen my crease line. I'm using a clean blending brush to make it more blended and seamless. Again, taking the same Kryolan concealer to cut my crease. I'm going to take this Hedonic shade to apply it all over my eyelid. With the help of my finger, I'm going to apply this orange glitter on my eyelid. This palette is from Okalan Eyeshadow and it is one of the most pigmented glitter eyeshadow palette. For the eyeliner, I'm going to use Maybelline Gel Eyeliner. To make my eyeliner more black, I'm going to use Sugar Waterproof Eyeliner. To to highlight my brow bone and inner corner, I am going to use Pure Gold shade from Nykaa Glow Getter Highlighting and Illuminating Duo Palette. I am going to use the same gel eyeliner on my waterline. I'm taking this Grandeur shade to apply it on my lower lash line. To add more colors, I'm going to use Affluent shade. For mascara, I'm using Maybelline Volume Express Mascara. So this is the finished look, guys. I really hope you like this look. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up if you did enjoy, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.